guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. We had gone food shopping the night before, so at least once or twice a month I like to empty out old containers of food, declutter the fridge, get rid of any old or expired items. So here I'm just checking the labels to see what is expired and moving things around to where they're easy to grab and easy to see. I'm taking everything out of the fridge just so I could see what I'm working with and see what things are stuffed behind the fridge that need to be thrown out. So now I'm just getting some Clorox wipes. I'm going to clean the surfaces of the refrigerator, make sure everything is clean and sanitized, and get all of that sticky stuff that, we all have at the bottom of our fridge because something leaked. So now that we wiped down all of our surfaces, I'm organizing and putting things back on the door of the refrigerator. At the top, I'm putting our crushed garlic, jelly, things that we tend to reach for the most. And then the next shelf, I'm going to be putting our barbecue sauces, soy sauce. And then at the bottom, I will be putting things that are a lot bulkier, like this big jar of Baby Ray's that we have, and then Parmesan cheese, the heavier things at the bottom. Now that the refrigerator's done, we are moving on to the freezer, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to take everything out to see what I have, to see what needs to be thrown out, things that are freezer burned. So here I'm just taking a hot towel and some multi-purpose cleaner that I have and spraying down the freezer, getting rid of any ice at the bottom and getting all of the crumbs out. Alright, so I finally finished the fridge. Here's the finished product. Got egg whites, Dr. Pepper, water filter. I don't really drink soda. My fiance is obsessed with Dr. Pepper, so that's why we have that. Then I have like whipped cream from a recipe I did. And I have like some dairy-free yogurts, 1 egg, because I didn't know what to do with it and I didn't want to keep the whole container in there, so. I have breads and buns, grapes, watermelon. I have homemade sweet tea that I make, orange juice. I have our chocolate almond milk and then just original almond milk. And then salads, rice I made last night, cheese. Like I said before, we don't eat meat anymore at all. So we're trying to go vegan, but yeah, we do still have cheese and whatnot. He eats egg whites. And this drawer I didn't touch because I just put everything in here last night, and this is just like produce. So I have like zucchini, I have pizza dough. I love making homemade pizzas. These are only like $1.79. So easy to make pizza. I bought tofu yesterday. I've never tried tofu, so this will be my first time, and this is the teriyaki one, so let you know how I like that. Udon noodles to make a little soup, onion, carrots, tomatoes, scallions. Got rid of these are the sauces I'm getting rid of. I gotta empty them out. Oh, this is not going. I gotta empty them out and then recycle the bottles. But yeah, this is everything that I kept. Chili paste. This is a homemade it's called firecracker sauce that I make. It's so good on like everything. But yeah, and then the freezer, as you saw, I just wiped down and organized. So I have all of our meatless meat products, veggies, and this is dairy-free ice cream. You guys, so good. I haven't tried this one yet, just got it last night. But the almond milk, amazing. And then I just have frozen fruits, pizza up there, and then our ice packs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little video of me organizing my fridge. If you want to see more videos like that, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.